Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken salad healthy. First, choose lean protein, such as chicken breast, as your primary ingredient. You can use leftover cooked chicken or prepare it fresh. Shred or dice the chicken into bite-sized pieces for easy mixing and a pleasant texture. Always ensure your chicken is completely cooled before adding other ingredients to maintain freshness and food safety. Next, let's talk about the dressing. Instead of traditional mayonnaise, opt for healthier alternatives like plain Greek yogurt or mashed avocado for creaminess and beneficial fats. You can also use a small amount of avocado oil mayonnaise for that classic taste. Boost the flavor profile with fresh herbs such as parsley or dill, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. These ingredients add zest without extra calories. To elevate your chicken salad, load it with a variety of vegetables. Finely diced celery, bell peppers, or shredded carrots provide a satisfying crunch and essential vitamins. For an extra nutrient boost, mix in leafy greens like baby spinach or arugula. Don't shy away from adding fruits. Halved grapes or chopped apples offer a delightful natural sweetness and another layer of texture to your healthy creation. Finally, consider how you serve and store your healthy chicken salad. Enjoy it in crisp lettuce cups for a low-carb option or on whole-grain bread for a more substantial meal. For storage, place any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 3 days, making it perfect for meal prep. And speaking of great reads, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, plus other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.